Can you believe that Milk Makeup started following me? Hey, did you miss me? So I'm here today because something that's kind of exciting happened. Okay, so I'm minding my business and I get this email. I get an email from a rep from Milk Makeup Studios, and when I saw the email at first I thought it was a joke because like people scam. I did some research, I looked around, I checked out his Instagram, and everything seemed to check out. He was looking for more influencers to join what they call the #studio fam. So I had to fill out this questionnaire, and they send you like a little PR package, I guess, if you will, in the mail. So I have it here. It finally came. I'm really excited, and I wanted to open it with you guys, so I'm just going to do that now. This is how I knew that it was official, because not too long after I got the email, Milk Makeup followed me on Instagram. So that was a moment. #arrived. Let me just open this up and see what's in here. Yay, we love goodies. So this is what it looks like when you first open the box. And then there's a second layer of goodies. So we got lots of goodies. They sent a lot of stuff. That's really cool. I'm gonna go through everything so you can see exactly what they sent. And then from there we'll create a makeup look. I don't really know what I want to do today, but yeah, let's get into the goodies. I'm really excited. This is like serious business, y'all. I feel like a real influencer. 2 different foundations. One is called the Flex Foundation Stick. Obviously it's a stick foundation, and they sent me it in 3 shades: Golden Honey, Almond, and Honey. Let's see. Wait, how do you open this? Oh, Flex Foundation says it's a medium coverage natural finish foundation that covers, calms, and flexes without creasing or caking. No creasing or caking, huh? Well, we'll see about that. Then I also have this matte foundation. It's the Milk Makeup Blur Liquid, and it comes in a tube, and obviously this is a liquid foundation. Now based on the product description on the website, it says that it is a matte full coverage foundation. So I don't usually go for mattes because I do have dry skin. So I'm curious to see, like, you know, how this will wear in comparison to this Flex foundation. So we'll see. Next up we have this, the tattoo stamp. Milk Makeup does like these tattoo stamps. It looks like an eyeliner, but it's actually a tattoo stamp that people just create looks from. Look how cute that is. I'm really excited about this tattoo stamp, especially with Halloween coming up. Maybe I can, like, you know, use it to create some looks. The next thing is this Kush Clear Brow Gel. Love a good brow gel nowadays. I'm all into the natural brow, so I'm here for the brow gel. Next we have the Kush Mascara. You can always use mascara. They also sent me a Flex Concealer, and I'm in the shade. They sent me light medium. I got this lip and cheek tint. I got a luminous blur stick. The product description says an oil-free, silicone-free, luminous matte primer that glides on for a glowing, shine-free finish. Blurs the look of pores and fine lines while imparting a shimmering matte finish. So it says it goes on translucent, obviously, and creates a golden pearl infused glow on all skin tones. Oh, this I've been so excited about. It's their Hydro Grip Primer. Now everyone and their mother has been raving about this. Apparently it's like their best-selling product or something. It was like on all these like beauty lists, best products of 2019. Apparently this stuff is like the real deal. So I have dry skin, and it's a hydrating primer, so I'm really excited to try this. The product description says hemp derived cannabis seed extract, Hydrates to plump and smooth for blissed out skin. Aloe water, cherry blossom, hyaluronic acid, and B vitamins boost skin for a healthier looking base and a glassy post hot yoga class glow. I've never taken hot yoga, but yes, I'm all for a glow. This would definitely probably be good for any beauties who have dry skin. I'm really excited to try this because they hyped it, so I'm hoping that it delivers. Next, I have the cooling water. The product description says it's infused with seawater to calm and hydrate sensitive skin and caffeine to support microcirculation. The stick's energizing and restorative powers are like a cup of coffee for your eyes. Roll this stick under your eyes or all over to depuff and hydrate. So I don't know about y'all, but like, I don't sleep at night. I definitely can use the depuffing of the eye situation. And then they also sent me Flex highlighter. Ooh, and this is in the color Blitz. Alright, so I'm just gonna swatch this. Hopefully it's not too blurry and you can see. And finally we have the Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder, and I have the shade Translucent Medium. So yeah, let's see what looks we can come up with using these Milk products. So you know the tattoo stamp, I was playing around with that on the back of my hand. I showed you guys, and like it stained my hand. I know people use this on their face, so I'm a little bit concerned as to like how you get it off. Granted, all I did was like wipe it off with a makeup wipe, so maybe hopefully with the makeup remover it'll come off. I don't know about that. That's alarming. Alright, so I want to try first the Hydro Grip Primer. How have you guys been since I saw you last? Oh, this feels good. I like how this feels. It's really like, it feels like a serum, but like, it feels sticky already. It almost kind of feels like a hair gel, no lie. But I like that because I feel like the foundation is definitely going to stick to this. My face is definitely like sticky. Definitely. Okay, I'm here for that. Come on, grip. And I don't feel dry. It is a weird feeling though. Like if you're not used to this, you'll be like, what is happening? Okay. I'm kind of sad that Hot Girl Summer has come to a close. I mean, although mine wasn't that hot, it wasn't even lukewarm. But I do like this time of year. I don't particularly care for the weather because it gets really cold. But I do like the holidays, like Thanksgiving, Christmas, and like Halloween is fun. That's coming up. Can't wait for that. If you have anything in mind that you would like to see, leave that in the comments below. So for foundation, I don't want anything like really full coverage. So I don't want to go with the Blur liquid. I think I'm going to stick with the Flex foundation and see how that works today. It did send me 3 shades, so I'm just going to do a swatch test. So this is Golden Honey. Because I already have the primer on my face, I don't want to wipe it off. So I'm just going to swatch on my neck. Alright, this is Almond, which looks a little, not a little, it looks pink just in comparison to Golden Honey. Yeah, like that's really pink. And this one is Honey. I'm just trying to blend them out just so I can see which one is the best match. And it looks like Honey probably would be the best. So this is Honey, Golden Honey, and Almond. Almond is too pink. Golden Honey looks a little light. Honey looks like it kind of disappeared. Maybe if I get a little lighter in the winter time, I possibly could do Golden Honey, or maybe I can use Golden Honey on the center of my face. Alright, so I'm just going to blend this out. The foundation brush that I'm using is by Real Techniques. It's their foundation blurring brush. It's the foundation brush by Real Techniques. I don't remember the name of it, but if you need to know the name, let me know in the comments, or I'll leave it down in the description bar below. It's a little thicker in consistency than what I'm used to from a foundation stick. I didn't love how it blended out with this brush. Granted, I usually use this with liquid products, so it probably would be better. Maybe for this particular foundation, it would have been better with like a beauty sponge or a beauty blender. I'll have to try that next time. Going to concealer, we're going to use the Flex concealer again, and I'm in the, well, they sent me the shade light medium. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. I thought it was going to be a squeeze tube. I do like that it has this doe foot applicator. Same brush. And I'm just going to run some of that concealer over my eyelids as an eyeshadow base. I actually really like this concealer. It blended out really good. I like the coverage. Alright, so now that the concealer is all blended out, I'm going to set my under eye. I actually like that translucent powder. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. Maybe a little extra glow. We always want to look glowy because glowy equals youth. And youth is life. Next I'm going to do brows, and I'm using the NYX, what I always use, my holy grail. It's the NYX micro brow pencil in the color black. And then I'm going to use the Kush Clear Brow Gel. Spoolie's really small on this. Like, that's teeny tiny. While that's drying, I'm just going to go in Flex highlighter and Blitzed. The highlighter is a bit glittery. I'm more into like a smooth highlight. This one is like kind of glittery, almost like Trophy Wife by Fenty. So I don't really love that formula, but it is still really pretty. I love the color. Okay, so I finished my brows off camera because I wasn't using Milk makeup products anyway. For the eyes, I'm just going to keep this look really, really simple. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer for an eyeshadow base. And of course, I'm using the Flex concealer. For the eyes, I think I'm going to use that highlighter color again on the lid. Since it's a shimmer, I'm going to pack some product on the brush and then spray a little bit of setting spray. Okay, so I finished the eyes, I did lashes, I did mascara, and I added a wing. Now to finish this off, I'm just going to add a lip and a little bit of blush. For the blush, I'm going to use this lip and cheek stain. I don't know how I would feel about this on my lips. So I'm just going to dab it on the apples, and then I'm going to use my foundation brush to blend that out. For lips, I mean, I do have this stain. I don't know how I'm going to feel about this. I hope I don't regret it. It's different from what I usually wear because I never wear pink on my lips. Because my lips are naturally pink, so I just don't ever wear pink on my lips. Alright, I wasn't feeling it, so I wiped it off. So I'm going to apply this CoverGirl lipstick in the color 235 Champagne. And I'm going to layer that with the NYX Intense Butter Gloss and Peanut Brittle. I'm going to line my lips just a little bit with the NYX lip liner in the color Cocoa. Okay, beauties, so this is the final look. I actually really like how this turned out. I really, really liked this foundation. I'm pleasantly surprised. The concealer was like one of my favorite things. I like the powder. And I do want to note that this foundation still has not creased in my smile lines. So I'm going to wear it a little longer and see what happens. But it's been 2 hours so far and it still hasn't creased. I hope you guys like it too. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you're not already. And until next time, beauties.